Gotta wear my helmet and my gloves just because I'm still not feeling 100% balanced. If you guys watched the last video, I spoke about what happened to me. I don't want to repeat it here, but I still feel a little unbalanced, so I have to put on my helmet and gloves, which is a good thing. It's not a bad thing. You should always wear your helmet and gloves. Safety first. Oh, listen to that exhaust. Being unbalanced these days, my old ass can't afford to fall and break his head, so we're wearing a helmet and gloves. So who's next? Who's gonna go for a ride? Nobody? Oh, go get my phone inside, Lucas. I have a list of all the items. Yeah, let me get the phone. Why are you putting the freaking camera in his face? On the ground, we did the decal kit, which I'll link everything that I'm talking about now, I'm gonna link down below. You can look it up. Some of the stuff is from Amazon, so I'll make like a 3 pennies on it if you buy it. And then the other things is just links to their personal websites. You found that funny? Look, and it keeps falling apart even more. What the hell is this? Here, take it. And I don't know. Hold on, let me bang this thing out. No, let me put this thing here. It's got sand in it. Somebody put it together. The decal kit comes in all pieces. The wheel decals do not come with it. Decals are separate. What are you guys doing? Just hanging out with it? What the hell are you guys doing?
Got the T-Rex here, you know.
Oh, chilling on the T-Rex, you know.
I'll take it out soon.
Get out of here. I did this crossbar on the handlebars versus changing out the handlebars. I did this because I could put my cell phone mount on and, you know, run my GPS if I had to. So did the Kemimoto bar end mirrors. I think it makes it look better than the little Mickey Mouse ears that it comes with. 60% clutch springs by SMR. I did the Chimera lifter plate, and I did the 6-bolt pressure plate from Grom Beardo. I also put these Grom Savers on. They're from Grom Beardo in case you tip the bike. This will hold the bike up and you won't damage something down here. You use it as an extended footrest, but those turned out to be all right. I think they actually look really good. Also did the DHM intake tube on this thing and the TST Airbox cover. In the back plate, I put the TST license plate screws, and I also cut the strap from here. I'm not carrying no passenger on here, so they don't need to hold on. And then I also did the S&S Performance Exhaust. That's pretty much all I've done to the ground. I think it sounds nice. I think it looks nice. I think it's gonna be around for a little bit. Hopefully this guy over here ends up riding it at some point. He's still bullshitting on getting his driver's license, so I don't know if he'll ever really ride a motorcycle. She has her license. You can probably get your motorcycle license already. Bye-bye.